You're watching Biker Atlas TV.
Just like a record.
855-1